Ô Canada, terre de nos aïeux, ton front est ceint de flairons glorieux, car ton bras s'est porté l'épée.
Let's play hockey!
Yay! Jacques! Wasn't that the worst game we ever played? And on top of that, how about them dear Canadians?
Sunshine, where I gone? It's all zeros, 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 zeros. Ain't no sun, no sun, no sun. Ain't no sun, no sun, no sun. Ain't no sun, no sun, no sun. Ain't no sun, no sun, no sun, no sun, no sun. Ain't no sunshine where I gone. It's all zeros, 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 zeros.
There just ain't no sunshine where we've gone.
Hey, did you see that game last night, Jacques? What was that all about, eh?
Hey, they played good in the first period. You gotta take some solace in that.
What? What you talking about? Did you see the same game I did?
Yeah.
Oh, really, Jacques? They put a dagger in my heart. Icicles down to the bottoms of my feet and up again. They handed me my heart on the blade of my hockey stick. How am I supposed to get over it, eh?
Rocket Robert, you were supposed to enjoy the season. Just enjoy the season. It's that easy, man.
I give up, Jacques. I'm done with him. I ain't never gonna watch another game.
You know when to play it next?
I don't care, I told you. I'm done with him. Are you deaf or something?
My father-in-law gave me some tickets for the next home game. They're in the first row, I think. Wanna go?
I just told you.
Hey, did you say the front row? Right up there, next to the glass? Okay, you got me. But after all that bloodletting last night, I gotta get a new jersey.
Ain't no sunshine where I gone. It's all zeros, 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 zeros. Ain't no sunshine where I gone. It's all zeros, 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 zeros.